Oracle AI Database Private Agent Factory gives autonomous database teams three ways to start. Deploy a pre-built agent, import a reusable template, or build a custom flow from scratch. This opening screen frames the whole product around working agents rather than isolated AI experiments. Template Gallery is the fastest way to build momentum. Instead of designing orchestration from zero, teams can import patterns for SQL routing, market intelligence, multi-agent support, document conversion, and other common enterprise tasks. My custom flows is where those templates become owned assets. Here you can see a published flow beside a draft, which is exactly how customer teams usually work as they move from experiment to something reusable and supportable. Inside Agent Builder, the logic is visual. This published flowchains chat input, prompt construction, research, an LLM-backed agent, and chat output, giving database teams a governed orchestration layer instead of hidden glue code. Datasets provides the content layer. In this environment, you can see sample datasets alongside Oracle-focused knowledge content, including the Oracle Database Knowledge Assistant dataset, which shows how business data and product knowledge can live side by side. Data Sources turns those assets into managed connections. The product already exposes web sources, databases, REST APIs, file sources, SharePoint, and Google Drive. And here we can see the synchronized documentation source feeding the knowledge experience. Model management centralizes approved model configurations. OCI-backed generative models are active here, which means flows and agents can reuse governed model definitions instead of each team configuring models separately. Select AI is the most important screen for autonomous database customers because this is where the application connects AI behavior back to a specific database. After choosing the target database, you can see the credentials used for AI access and control. Profiles define how the database should participate in agent workflows. In this example, there is a natural language to SQL profile and a retrieval profile, showing how Select AI can support both analytical and grounded answering use cases. Vector indexes complete the retrieval layer. This is the database-side bridge between governed content, object storage, and retrieval-augmented generation, which is what makes grounded database native agent experiences practical. Once that foundation is in place, the knowledge agent becomes much more useful. This assistant is grounded on the agent factory documentation. The data analysis agent shows the complementary pattern. On the messages view, natural language questions are translated into analytical answers over structured data, which is the experience most business users actually want to consume. And on the Data tab, you can inspect the underlying rows behind those answers. That closes the loop. Connect sources, govern models, configure Select AI, then expose the result through agents and flows that remain traceable to real data.